In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store not working on iOS 18. If the App Store won't load, won't let you download apps, will keep spinning, follow along, and we'll walk through reliable fixes in a clear order. Start by confirming your internet connection is solid. The App Store needs a stable connection to load content and process downloads. Open Settings, then choose Wi-Fi or cellular, and make sure you're connected to a strong active network. A quick way to verify is to open Safari and load a website or stream a short video. If that works smoothly, your connection is likely fine. If not, move closer to your router or switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to see which is more reliable. If the connection looks good, give the App Store a quick refresh by force closing it and reopening. Swipe up from the bottom and pause to open the app switcher, or press the home button twice on older devices. Find the App Store card and swipe it up to close. Then open the App Store again and try downloading or updating an app. If it's still acting up, restart your device to clear out temporary glitches. Press and hold the side button and volume up together until the power slider appears. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the side button to turn it back on. Once you're back at the home screen, test the App Store again. Before you troubleshoot further, check whether the issue is on Apple's side. In Safari, visit Apple's system status page and look for App Store. If it shows an outage or ongoing issue, the best move is to wait until Apple resolves it, then try again. If Apple's services are normal, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Go to Settings, tap the banner at the top, choose Sign Out, then sign back into your Apple ID. Reopen the App Store and see if functionality is restored. Next, make sure your software is up to date. In Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Updates often include fixes for App Store and network-related bugs. Keep your device charged and connected to a reliable network while updating. If the problem seems network related, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings and confirm. This removes saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, but it won't delete your personal data. Afterward, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test the App Store. Finally, open the App Store and try installing or updating an app to confirm everything's working. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.